What's going on, welcome back to the channel. So we have our third update on the 1969 Camaro from Revell monogram, and well, we got pretty much all set and we're almost ready for final assembly. So I'll go ahead and show you the interior before it gets patched up, and inside the body we're not going to see much of it anymore. But yeah, we did a nice basic black interior. It's very nice. This interior is actually, very detailed for what it is. I did use the kit seats because I love those seats. We did add some Gopher Racing seatbelts in there, flocked it, and then of course we did the wood steering wheel. I could have 3D printed a new steering wheel, but I just kind of went with the kit one. But it's not cool, it's okay. And then dashboard, what you can see on the dashboard, we just detailed some gauges in there because there's no decals, but I kind of see why there's no decals because, well, you can't really see the gauges too well, especially once it's in the body. But the black looks really good. We did use the MIGs, Omegas, they're satin black for the interior lineup, and this is really good. I mean, look how nice that black is. It's like glossy, but it's not too glossy. It looks more like a plastic or leather look. It's really nice, and that black really looks really good. So, and then the shifter, we have put a weight tip on there just for the striping on the car, just kind of matched the stripes. Now this kit, I believe the Z28 has a center console, and we do have a center console here, but I kind of like it without the center console. I don't know why I put the center console in there. I was like, they do have that notch in there, and I believe, that notch is for the Cobra or the other Camaro kit they have, which is the more basic version, and that one does not have a center console because that kit's basically the same as this one, same interior, same body. Basically, the only thing different is the engine and the front headlight assembly. So, but I know the other version is or the CUDA. There it is, the CUDA version of the Camaro doesn't have a center console because it's more like a basic version of the Camaro. This one's more like a luxury version. But I don't know, I don't really like the center console, so we did it without it, and it looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's it for the interior, bottom black, so we can have their transmission and stuff showing. We'll show you the chassis one more time. We did a second update on this, but I want to show you we did connect our exhaust on there, and then we got our rear hoses connected and stuff. I might detail the battery. I might not wire it because there's some molded wires. We can just detail paint, not too big a deal. But yeah, that's it for the interior, or the dash, or the chassis, and yeah, looks good. So that's all set and ready to go on bottom of the body, and then we'll show you the body. We did get it polished up, wax on, wax off, and then we got our chrome on there. That was fun. Bare metal foil is it's fun. You just gotta take your time, get used to it. And especially on the fender wells, holy crap, those were not fun. I absolutely did not enjoy that. But they're on there, they look good. We still gotta do our turn signals. We might do more barrel foil, or might just paint them in chrome and do them in clear red or orange. But other than that, the chrome is on, we're good. That's the hardest part. That's the part I was not looking forward to, but it looks good. We did detail the firewall here, the wires, the black, and then the heater box in black. So that looks good. And then we just have to put our master's brake zone on there. Our fog light, we did the chrome background, so we can put our lens in there later on. But yeah, the body looks absolutely amazing. This color, I just can't get enough of this color. It's so beautiful. Just a beautiful color, and it looks so good on this. And yeah, it looks, that color really suits it. Then we'll show you the hood. Here's the hood for it. I mean, the hood, just absolutely nice. And then we'll go ahead and put it on just so you get a general idea of how it looks. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. The white stripes looks really good. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. But other than that, that's pretty much about it. These decals, they are the decals. And you have to do some cutting because you have to put your hood on, and you gotta make sure it lines up with this. And you gotta cut them right here so the hood can still open. And then we slice them on here, so it looks like the trunk is separate, obviously. Fold around the spoiler. So these decals, they worked good, but my particular one, they did not want to come off of the backing paper. I mean, I soaked them in sort of warm water for about maybe like 6, maybe 8 minutes, if that, before they even came fully loosened from the backing paper. So I'm not sure it's because my kid's kind of older, because I had this kit in my stash for, I want to say, 5+ years. So it's been in my stash for quite some time, and I'm not sure that's the case. But yeah, they took some time to get loosened backing paper, but they look good. And yeah, so we just gotta get our lens in there, get our windows in there, and then we can just start popping everything together. So next time we see this, it will be the final review, so stay tuned. Hopefully by next weekend we'll get this patched up and rolled out here. But I know, guys, until my next video, we'll go and catch you guys next time. Take it easy.